Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about switch statement. What is a switch statement? It is an alternative of if statement. As previously we work on if statements, and also we have an exercise doing the edge calculation. So let's go and do that edge calculation here with a switch statement. By defining a var variable here and age and putting a value inside age and the keyword switch and the round bracket inside this bracket, the expression will be the age, and the curly bracket the body of this switch. It's also called switch and case because we have to type case. It means in case age is equal to some value. Then colon, print something. Print you are a child. You are a child. And colon, there is one thing else we call break. What break does? Break will stop the execution. For example, if this value is true, then it will print this message and break the execution. It will not go further. And if we want to go compare another value like case, we can put as many case as we want. In case it is 15, then colon, print something else. Print you're young, okay, or you are teenage, and semicolon, and again break, and then again case, colon, case age is 20, then colon, print you are man. So in case none of above value are true, then it has a default one. We by writing a default and colon, don't forget to put the break here, and then print something. You are old. Then again break. Let's run. If there is something like in age is 10, it will print you are child. The first case is true, it will print you are child. Then break, the execution will be stopped and it will not go further. And if we change the value to 15, then it will give the message you are a teenage. If we change it to 20, you are a man. So if none of the above are true, for example, I put 15 age, and it will print the last message, which is default, you are old. And this is the switch and case statement. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.